Good evening. This is Mrs. Timmons, and I want to demonstrate how students and their families can place books on hold so that you can access the books in the collection at South Mebane Elementary. The books will be available for pickup Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday mornings from 8:30 until 11:30 in the morning. The cart will be placed unattended at the car rider bleachers on the side of the school. All you need to do is drive up, pick up your child's books. They will be labeled. And if you are returning books, place them on the bottom shelf. On Wednesday evenings from 4 to 6 p.m., I will stay after school and leave a number on the front door so that you can text me when you arrive, and I will bring the books out to you in a socially distanced manner. In order for this to work, you need to log into the school catalog using your child's school Gmail account. The fastest way to do this is to go to the South Mebane webpage and navigate to the Media Center by hovering over the Students tab and clicking in the drop-down menu on Media Center. The Follett catalog is linked right at the top before any of our other resources. And when you click on that, it is going to take you to the Destiny Discover webpage. It should say, "Welcome to South Mebane Media Center." If for some reason it does not work, you have another option, which is to type gofollett.com into your URL bar. Go, Follett.com. The first time that you visit the website, you will need to type South Mebane into the name of the school and select it. As you saw just there, once you've selected it the first time, your computer should remember that location and take you there directly. So again, that's gofollett, GOFOLLETT.com. In order to log in, choose the login button in the upper right, and then have your child or children sign in with their school Google accounts. Those are the only accounts that the system recognizes. I'm going to use a dummy account to show you what the student side looks like. Once you've logged in, the main thing that you want to do is search either by topic or by title or by author in the search bar. And then you will see books that are currently out will have this red out banner on them. It is possible to place those on hold, but given the need to quarantine books for a week between borrowers, I recommend that you direct your child to borrow books that are currently in the library. It will be a lot easier for you to pick them up at your convenience. So when you want to put a book on hold, you're going to click that hold button, and it will say that it's available now and give you a pickup date. Those dates are flexible. I am being very understanding of how much time it takes people to get to the school. But I do ask that you pick them up within 2 weeks, again, because between the drop-off and pickup and the quarantine, books will not be able to circulate very frequently. Now, there is a 2-book limit on holds, although as soon as your child checks out those 2 books, as soon as I place them on the cart for pickup, you will be able to place 2 more holds. If you place 2 holds in one session and just change your mind, the menu is accessed through the 3 horizontal bars in the upper left. You can go to the holds page, click on the title of the book that you don't want, and click unhold. I will not get the notification for 24 hours, more like 12. And so you have a little bit of freedom to change your mind. Again, that's the main part of the process, making sure your child logs in using their Google account and then searching for a book that interests them. And then using the hold system to place a hold on a book that is currently in session. Not in session, but currently in the library. I realize that this is a lot of information coming at you very quickly. I am going to write out instructions as well and provide that on a sheet. I encourage all of you to use this system as much as possible. The books are anxious and ready to go out to students, and I hope to be able to provide them to you very, very soon. Again, pickup is Tuesday through Thursday, 8:30 to 11:30, and Wednesday, 4 to 6 p.m. Thank you so much. Goodbye.